Hello friends, it's me Urmila Agarwal. Our subject is information technology and code is 402. In basic ICT skills, it's part 3 of the basic ICT skills and we will discuss about today's class internet browsers, its properties, its application, website and web pages, email applications, how can we create an email account, how can we send or receive a mail, and some kind of the social media. So before we start our class, please like and subscribe my channel now let's start our class. Today's topic is internet. What is the meaning of the internet? Internet is a interconnected computer network all around the world where we can exchange or find out any kind of the information with the help of internet. Means if you want to be search any topic, कोई भी टॉपिक अगर आपको जो सर्च करना है विद द हेल्प ऑफ द इंटरनेट यू कैन ईजिली एक्सेस. बट when you access any kind of the topic, first you have to be need a web browser. So a web browser, it can be Opera browser, Google Chrome browser, Safari, Mozilla Firefox, Internet Explorer, Internet Edge. In the earlier days, Internet Explorer is most popular browser, but nowadays Google Chrome is in a very popular browser. If you want to be search a topic, first in browser you type the URL is in a website name. You can type to here in address bar your site name and after then click on go option. When you click on go option, the page will be load and website will be load on your computer system. Now we will discuss about the application on internet. Some kind of the work we can do easily with the help of internet. Like if you want to be buy and purchase and sell any kind of the goods item, then you can use any kind of the site like in a Flipkart, Amazon, OLX site, Myntra site. Lots of the sites are also here providing the facility to buy and sell your goods. Next, if you want to be organize a meeting or conference in office, in a school, then you can easily use the internet. It can be provide entertainment facility to us. We can play any kind of the videos, movies, watching the match, online matches also. Now a biggest platform for online education. We all are using the online education nowadays. If you want to be used in a medical sectors, schools, homes, anywhere you can easily access your internet and you can find any kind of the information with the help of internet. If you want to be online paying your bills, if you want to be order something, then can you use the internet also. Now we will discuss some common properties of a browser. A browser having some kind of properties like history, bookmark, stop and refresh options. What is the work of them? History. In history features which pages you have already visited on your computer system or internet, you can be see to there and also delete to them. Bookmark. If you want to be access a specific page later, then you can bookmark it. Stop feature having, if you're loading or you don't want to be visit a web page, then you just use stop option. Refresh. Suppose a web page or website taking a lot of time to loading on your computer system, then you can use refresh option. If you want to be check the code of that particular HTML page, then just right click on the web page and then a pop-up menu will be appear. Then go to view source code and you can see easily the coding of that particular web page. Now we will discuss about the differences between the website and web pages. The basically differences are there. A website is a collection of multiple web pages. Means जो website है वो बहुत सारे web pages से मिलके बनती है. For example, google.com, Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra. Now web page. A web page is contain the information. It can be text information, graphics information or sound information, that is known as a web page. Now, social media. Social media is the biggest platform where you can express your views or ideas or information like in a career and interest, other kind of the topic can be discussed with the people. Lots of the amount of the people you can express your views or ideas with the help of social media. Some basic applications we are all are here. Twitter. Twitter is created in March 2006 by Jack Dorsey. It is a service where you can express your views or ideas. You can online use or social networking services also provide or post here. Which post you are updating here, that is known as tweet. It's a signature or it's in a bird logo is in a or Twitter bird. Here are the starting time for 140 characters restricted for the right post your topic, but now you can just use double. Next is Facebook. Facebook is an also social networking website. It is making a you can make a lots of friends also here. Some kind of the feature also Facebook provide like friends, unfriend, create a group, comment, update your post, pictures, anything you can be share with the people. It is created by Mark Zuckerberg. Next is a blog. Blog is an online diary like where you can express your views or ideas within a people. Next is YouTube. YouTube is give us a creating facility to web page. YouTube is an online video sharing service where you can express your videos, your ideas, your thought. It is acquired by Google. You can search any kind of the topic on videos on YouTube. Easily you can get your content are here. When you're creating a YouTube video, first of all you have to be create an ID and it's provide an ID and password. After that then you can upload your videos are here. Then some kind of the feature also here like an share, favorite, report, comment, subscriber. These are some kind of the feature also here provided by the YouTube. WhatsApp is in a messenger kind of the service, freeware and cross platform messaging service where you can send any kind of the message like media, documentation, contact number. You can also create an groups are here broadcasting your message also. Now it's acquired by Facebook. Digital media. A digital media is a computer technology is now go to the advancing platform in India where you many of the websites from India and global players of the internet market. Websites like Flipkart, Paytm, Snapdeals have made a lot of money. You can see here if you want to be search anything then you can easily use it there. You can watch the movies, videos, check marks, attend the online exams. Most of the things we can do the online. Indian government also some kind of the providing the app like a Beam app, Arogya Setu app. You can also update your Aadhaar card, PAN card, linking your Aadhaar card with your bank accounts, mobile numbers, and PAN card is being the mandated by the government also. Next our topic is email. Email is a kind of the facility that is provided by some providers like a Gmail, Yahoo. These are some kind of the provider. When you create your account for emailing, then you got a password and ID. After the got your password or ID, you can send anyone a mail. The both person are receiver or sender. Person who is sending the message known as sender. A person who is receiving the message known as receiver. So both person having their email or IDs. After that they can easily send their mails. When you are sending your mail, then it's a very important part to that you have your ID and password. After that when you sending your mail, then you just see there are two options. In two options you write the receiver's name, BCC means blind carbon copy. CC means carbon copy. If you want to be same mail, if you having a mail and you want to be the same mail forward to another person, then you use forward option. If you want to be send a mail more than one person, then use CC option. In subject option, you can type your subject of your mail. In text area, you can type your mail. After that, signature. In signature, you can add digital signature on there. Next is attachment. In attachment option, you can attach any kind of the application or images, like in a sound graphics, whatever. Send option, sending your mail to another person. Hope it's helpful for your study, and please subscribe my channel. Have a good day. Thank you.